Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Howell and I create lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be walking you through how I create this effortless beach wave. I'm so excited because I am partnering with Aveda and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use a range of their products to create this hairstyle. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle, just keep watching and here we go. So we're starting off with day 2 hair. Yesterday I visited the Aveda salon to kind of get a better insight on all of these products and I had such an amazing time. They were so sweet and they actually gave me a blowout. So this is what we're working with. It was raining yesterday and my hair has fallen completely flat. So I'm gonna show you guys what they use in my hair before they blow dried it. The first thing that she used in my roots was the volumizing tonic. This spray is really going to help lift the root. If you guys can see, I still have so much volume in my roots, especially after sleeping on my hair, so this stuff is amazing. I have a lot of hair and it's very, very heavy, so it does tend to weigh down and pull this all very flat to my head. So the fact that I woke up and it's still looking this big and fluffy is a good sign. She also applied this damage remedy from about here down, so just where you would apply conditioner. This is a daily hair repair. This stuff is like the secret magic to healthy hair. I'm gonna start by spraying in this damage control. This is a heat protectant. I know that the damage remedy also has heat protectant in it, but because it's the second day, I kind of just want to reapply. So I don't have too many oils coming through yet because it is day 2, but typically I would go in with a dry shampoo in my root. This stuff is so fun to use. It's in the powder form, so you squeeze the bottle, out comes the dry shampoo. It's gonna suck up all those oils and bring a lot more volume back into your head. Okay, now I'm gonna section off my hair just to make it quicker, so I'm gonna pull this top part up. What I'm using to curl my hair is this curling iron. This is a 1 1/4 inch barrel and I find that the smaller barrels work so much better for beach waves. I'm gonna use pieces about this thick and I'm gonna take my curling iron, flip it upside down and almost use it as a curling wand, but I am still going to use the clamp. Around, clamp, and then I'm gonna hold the end out just like this. My hair curls pretty quickly and this is on 450 degrees, so it's pretty hot. And then I'm gonna let it out. I like to hold the curl in for a minute just so it can set because it's still really, really hot. And then I'm gonna let it fall out. I always like twist it back up too so it can just sit there and set. It's not gonna be this curly, don't worry. Then I'm just gonna make my way around my head. Okay, I'm gonna speed you guys up because I'm basically doing the same thing. Okay, now that the bottom layer is done, I'm going to try my hardest not to mess it up. I'm gonna leave it kind of in these tight curls and I'm gonna move them to the back. I'm gonna section this top crown part of my head off. We're gonna be doing the same thing, going around the head, curling opposite directions. Okay, we have the last layer. In my opinion, this layer is what matters the most because obviously it's on the top. I'm gonna start from the back and kind of work my way up. Once I start getting towards the front, I like to use super thin pieces. I like to kind of spread the hair out on the curling iron, if that makes sense, and kind of like slide it down just so it's not such a tight curl. Like that. And then for this last piece, closest to your face, you want to curl it away from your face. I like to do that same thing where I spread out the curl on the curling wand and I kind of just drag it down back and forth and like pinch it. I kind of just like put it into place. You don't want it to be too tight or too loose. And I give it one push and then I kind of pull it out. I don't want those front pieces too curly. Now I'm going to finish this side and then I will show you guys the next step. The final step is to go in with this Aveda Mihana spray, and what this is a perfume for your hair. I was also told that these added a little bit of shine, so I'm gonna spray this in all over so you guys can see. I'm very sorry that you can't smell this. I wish you could because it smells so amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna mess it all up. with my fingers just to kind of work the shine through. And there we have it. So this is my signature favorite beach wave. I hope that you guys enjoy it. That spray smells so good. I could literally just drench myself in it. Oh my gosh. You can also go in with a hairspray if you want. I feel that the products that I used before it help hold it, and I hate the heavy feeling of hairspray, but I know that some people probably need it in order to hold their curls, but this is just what I like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed my beach wave hair tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Aveda's YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!